Have you ever wondered what it feels like to own the most expensive car in the world? The Rolls-Royce La Rose More drop tail is more than a vehicle, it's a handcrafted masterpiece built for only a select few. With a price exceeding $30 million, it represents the highest level of luxury, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Every detail has been designed to perfection, making it one of the rarest and most desirable automobiles ever created. Today, we'll explore what makes this incredible machine so extraordinary. Unlike ordinary luxury cars, the La Rose More drop tail is produced in an extremely limited number. Every panel, every piece of wood, and every stitch inside the cabin is handcrafted by skilled artisans. The design is inspired by the rare black Baccarat rose, creating a unique combination of elegance and exclusivity. The first thing that captures your attention is its breathtaking exterior. The Rolls-Royce La Rose More drop tail is not designed to follow trends, it is designed to create them. Every body panel is handcrafted with incredible precision, resulting in a flawless finish that reflects light like a polished gemstone. Its iconic Pantheon grille, illuminated by elegant LED headlights, gives the car a commanding presence on the road. From the long sculpted hood to the sleek rear deck, every curve has been carefully engineered to combine timeless elegance with modern aerodynamics. Inspired by the rare black Baccarat rose, the deep black paint subtly reveals rich burgundy highlights under sunlight, creating an unforgettable visual effect. Every detail, from the polished chrome accents to the custom alloy wheels, showcases Rolls-Royce's obsession with perfection. This is not just automotive design. It's moving art, created for those who demand absolute excellence.